Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got a mildewed vanity. Well, at least we had a mildewed vanity. Now we got that old nasty vanity out of there. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. So we had a call for a vanity that was deteriorated, no evidence of water, the faucet's not leaking, the drain's not leaking, but the cabinet was getting all gross. So I got over here, found out there was no leaks, but once we started tearing out the nasty vanity, I could see that the drain was duct taped in there. So it had leaked inside the wall, behind the cabinet, all in the drywall. I went ahead and got this drywall all pulled out of there, treated the surrounding area with this mold armor stuff, let that dry over the weekend, and now we're gonna get it put back. So we got all the nasty insulation pulled out, so I'm gonna go ahead and insulate what's missing. Alright, we can fit it up next to the wall. Don't worry about these gaps or getting it too close around the pipes. Just get it somewhere close because we're going to button that up in the mudding. Apply the mesh tape, get our seams taped. If your pipes are cut around rather large here, like this one here, this is at an angle, so you have to cut the hole bigger unless you pull the cutoffs off. You're going to have to cut the hole big enough so you can fit the board on there. But then if you've got a big hole around your pipes, you can always tape it and skim coat around it. Got my 5-minute mud here. If you have a gap like mine, you can actually mush the mud behind the tape like that. And it just sets in pretty nice. Oops. My self-adhesive is not self-adhesing. There we go. It doesn't need to be beautiful. We've got a cabinet going in here, and after the cabinet goes in, you can do a little touch-up mud if you need to. So that's it. We are now prepped for the new vanity. Removed that old moldy vanity, pulled the drywall, treated the framing, let it dry, re-insulated, put the drywall back, skim coated it, and now it's prepped for a new vanity. If you need help installing your new vanity, make sure you check out the Home Mender video. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.